we use high gloss, we actually suggest a 1/4 inch snap. As you increase in sheen, you're going to notice obviously they become shinier, right? Which means inside the can, the pigment particles have become smaller and they lock together tighter, which allows light to reflect off of them. So higher the sheen, the smaller the nap. So now if we're talking about like textured walls, sometimes even hardy board can have some texture to it. That's when you kind of want to step it up to a half inch or even possibly a 3/4 inch. Again, it comes back full circle. If you're dealing with a 3/4 inch, which is real bushy, you definitely got to saturate that roller. So now we're talking 15, 20 times. You got to get that paint in there. But a lot of customers do not reload their roller or do not saturate their roller enough, so they'll look down at it and it's covered in paint or it's discolored, right? The fabric absorbs that paint color, and so they'll just push harder on the wall to get every ounce of paint out of the roller cover. Not only does that leave hat banding or uneven roller marks along the wall surface, but you're not using enough paint and you're putting a lot of pressure on this, so it doesn't need it. Want to dip in, and if you have to, I usually like to just let it sit. So if it's like really dripping for some reason, like I maybe put a little bit too much on the brush, what you can do is you can just lightly dab on the inside here on both sides, just to release a little bit of paint. But it can be easy, and you can be totally empowered and walk away and be like, I did this, like, this is awesome.